Oh my, I found the Amitofo City Walk. It retails for 1980, 178.20 per case. Yeah. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm buying one. Oh my god, they really look nice in person. Look at that. Grabe, oh. Makes me want to get the whole bag. Or the whole case, rather. Ganda. Right, for now, I'm just getting one box. Let's see kung sino to. Guess what? So nakita ko rin talaga yung Amitofo City Walk series dito sa Bugis. So hinanap ko talaga siya. And it retails for $19.80 bawat box. And if you're buying the whole case, which is 9 boxes siya, it will retail for about $174. Halos ganon. But I only got one muna. I want to try it first. Kung anong design na makukuha ko. I have nothing particular na gusto. Dahil lahat naman magaganda. But preferably sana, it's either the sightseeing or the traveling or syempre yung hidden. So ayan, sealed pa yung box. Sa 1980 shop, isa. Buksan natin. There we go. Ano natin. Oops. Nakita ko na yung accessory. May accessory kagad. So this would be the praying, I believe. Ito na. Ayun. It's nice. At ito yung accessory niya. So basically, praying for you. Very zen siya. Comes with a card. Maganda yung card niya. See through. So, I got praying. So I'm praying for the next one na maganda yung makuha ko. Nice. Uhin natin ito. Yes. And you put this here. Wait. Yung lotus flower, nagagalaw, umiikot. So, yes guys, I'm praying for all of you. Nice one. So, should I get the whole case? 174 din yun. I'm still here in Bugis, so pwede ko pang balikan yung tindahan at kunin yung buong case. Wish me luck.